Peace, peace, peace. Family, what's the word? What's the word? What's the deal? Peace to the gods. Just over here, taking a look at some assets right quick, seeing what we got going on the charts. Seeing what the deal is. I know everybody getting excited about this pump. Just wanted to come over here and actually see if it was what they said it was. Let me come over here and take a look. Okay. Yep. We got the pump to the previous support. Now, what is it doing? It's acting as resistance. This is on the daily chart. Let's go to a 4-hour. You can see we were in a downtrend. We were in a downtrend for a minute. Got the support. Then this is Bitcoin on a daily. It's Bitcoin on a daily. Currently up 8.42%. That's a $3,142.69 pump. So let's see what we got. All right, like I said, downtrend, got the support, 35,084. 35,084, got the support. Now we're trading at 40,448. So we need to create some new levels of support. And actually, we need to maintain above this downtrend. We need to actually close. So we got another 5 hours and 33 minutes before this candlestick actually closes. So the day is not over just yet. So make sure you pay attention to that, because we could easily sell off from here, because you still got all of these people back here who are down. So be looking for those individuals to take profit. All of these guys back here who lost some profit and now see that Bitcoin's price is turning around, they could be looking to take profit on this. So be careful. Be careful as far as buying this pump right now. But it's looking good right now. This is on a daily time frame. It's looking good right now. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Now, on a 4-hour, look at that. Look, take a look. This was our downtrend. Downtrend, got rejected, came back, tested. You broke out of it. Let's open this up some. Check this out. This is your downtrend. You're testing and you could not get out of this downtrend. Currently, on a 4-hour though, you broke out, back test. Now, this is perfect form. It's pure form. I want y'all to hear this. Pure form. Always, 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 when you get a breakout, you look for a back test for confirmation. Look for the back test. Even if you get a wick breakthrough, wait for the candlestick to close on 4-hour, daily, or 1-hour time frames. Wait for confirmation. So you had one confirmation, then you had two confirmations. It broke through this. It might have took some people out of their positions, and they got nervous about that. But you have to wait for the candlestick to close. Once you get that confirmation, so the breakout, back test, confirmation, continue with the move. And now you hit this area right here that used to be support, turn resistance. So naturally, you're going to have a retest on that area. How many times can we keep retesting this area to see if it's actually going to be the area of support that we're looking for. We got 1 hour and 30 minutes on a 4-hour candle. So you have to get a body close above this previous resistance and or support. Support can flip resistance. Resistance can flip support. So this is our deciding area right now to figure that out. Let's go to a 1 hour. On a 1 hour, you keep getting rejected. You tried to break once. Looks like you're trying to break twice. So that's your resistance. You have 30 minutes and 30 seconds to figure that out. Let's take this to a 2 hour right quick. See what a 2 hour looks like. On the 2 hour, you have 1 hour and 29 minutes that you got rejected. That's your first sign of rejection right there. So you could do one of two things. Wait for a back test to about this area. Or this area might be your area of support. And that's on a 2 hour. Close to previous support right here. So nothing else in that area for quite some time. So right now we're playing off of this area right here. So if you break 40,000 and possibly get the close that you're looking for, but this appears to be a wick so far. Because like I said, this is a daily time frame. It used to be support, then it became resistance. So now it's operating as resistance again. So let's break this down. Pull out the fibs. Your 236 has you coming in at about $41,458.35. Currently, you are under your 236. You are under it. Once you get support on the 236, then you look to the move of the next level of resistance, which is about 46,000. Now, let's turn on the EMAs right quick. See what the EMAs have to say. Now, look at this. Your 20-day is just getting broken. You do not have any closures above the 20-day. You keep getting rejected. Let me open this up some. You keep getting rejected by that 20-day. You do not have any closures above that 20-day. This could be a wick, or it could be the volume that we were looking for. But peep the resistance from the 50-day, which is about 42,000. But you're really looking for the support from $41,458. That's your 236. But that 50-day is starting to slope over it. So you want to get the support above this 50-day. You want to get that support above that, but then here comes your next level of resistance. We got to play this in the levels. So right now, we got the resistance here. We got resistance coming in at the 236. We got resistance coming in at the 50-day. We got resistance right here at about 43,000. There's certain lot of levels that need to be broken, but there's a lot of resistance that needs to be broken through as well before we can say that we are completely bullish once we get above all these major moving averages. So we're looking kind of bullish, but I would like to see some more upside from Bitcoin before I say that Bitcoin is back bullish. Now, let's take a look at Ethereum. Resistance here. What is that? Resistance almost at $3,000. It was resistance, then flip support back here. It is now looking like that area is going to be your resistance. Currently trading at 29.58. Your resistance comes in at about 29.99, almost $3,000. So roughly about $3,000 on the resistance, but this thing is trading way above your 20-day. So Ethereum looking a little bit stronger, or if not the same as Bitcoin. Actually, it is. It's 9.60%, and Bitcoin is only 8.33. So yeah, it is trading stronger than Bitcoin right now. So this is your resistance. Wait for this to close though. If you miss this though, do not go chasing the pump. If it's up, let it be up, but wait for confirmation, because you have not gotten any closures above the 20-day for quite some time. So pay attention to that. Wait for the pump to finish. Let some people take profit, because people are going to take profit from this, because you still had all of these other people who lost right here. So they're going to be looking to take profit when you get these pumps. Now, this is your resistance. Next area of resistance is coming in at your 50-day. But that's only if you beat that $3,000 area. You got to beat that. After that, you're looking at 31.73. So where do I want to run the fib from? Let's run it on the bodies. Yeah, let's run it from the bodies. Right there. Same thing. You are under your 236. Under the 236 on a larger time frame. Let's move this down. Let me put it on a macro. It'll probably be on a 618 if I move it. Let's see. There. Yep. Right there. Right there. And then here. Let me see. What does that look like? A little bit above. Let me see. Maybe. No, I like it here. Yeah, I like it right there. Okay. So your 382 is on the fib. 382 is 28.21. You're currently trading at 29.51. So look at how your 20-day is right under your 382. Your 20-day is right under your 382. You cannot make that up. Wow. So if this was me and I had missed the pump, I would be looking for the back test to at least that 382 mark, which is about $2,800, $21, roughly the $2,800 area. And then if it broke that 20-day at about 27.91, if it closed below that, then that would be my stop loss. I would just take a loss on that, but you're looking pretty bullish. Let's see what the RSI has to say. Let me move this up. Yeah, you're looking pretty bullish. Where are we at on the RSI? 51, 51, 51.62 maybe. 52.39. I would like, but then see, you got all this resistance right here though. That's what I'm looking at. I'm really looking for this to run to, like I said, about that $3,000 area, because that is your half on the Fibonacci level. So $3,026 on a half on the resistance. And then following right behind that is the 50-day. But ultimately your 618 full Fibonacci retracement is going to be about $3,230 if you continue with the bullish momentum, because you do have support from your 236. Let me pull that up. You did get the support from your 236. Broke out, back test, got rejected, back test again, and then breakout. I would be looking for the back test. Yep. I would be looking for the back test back to about that 382 area, which would be about 2,800, roughly about 2791, 2790, somewhere up in there. But yeah, I would be looking for the back test. That's just me. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin on a daily, you are at your 20-day. Litecoin on the daily, you are at the 20-day. Let me remove this fib. And then let me take off these lines. Thank you. Point blank period, you are at resistance on the 20-day. So I would be looking for a back test to about maybe here, 114, maybe, or here. Yeah, that looks better. I like that better. So let's delete that one. I will be looking for a back test to about $112. So only if it holds as the resistance. Now, if we get support from the 20-day, then I will look for Litecoin to hold the 20-day. If it doesn't hold the 20-day following into tomorrow at the end of the trading day, then we lose that. I will be looking for the back test. But if we keep the 20-day and keep this positive momentum going that we have on the RSI is showing signs of strength, then I will be looking to go probably here, about $126 to the upside. So make sure I mark that off right there. Perfect. And then, yeah. So back test will probably be about $112, $113, roughly somewhere up in there on a back test, because you are testing your 20-day right now. So let's pull this down. Small. Yeah, let's play it small. Let's play it real small. Yeah, I like that. That works. Nope, go back. There and there. Yep, I like that. That looks good. So micro, you have your support from your 236, and then now you are looking at your 382 as the resistance, also your 20-day being the resistance. So that's major resistance right there. If you can get above your 382, then play it to that halfway mark right there, which is at 125. And then your full 618 retracement would be $131.98. And your 50-day is hovering right over that. So that looks like that might be a pretty solid trade if you can get above this 20-day in the 382. You can get support above your 20-day in the 382. Your next area to take profit, give you about 5%, and then the 618 to take you to about 10%. So that's not a bad trade. I would take that. 10% to the upside. I like that. But you got to get that support. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. You know what? Let's take a look at EOS first. I got to take a look at EOS. EOS also testing your 20-day. Also testing your 20-day. But you do have some positive momentum to the upside. So try to get the support above the 20-day. Try to get support above the 20-day and play it to possibly this area. 264. Yeah, I like that area. Let's play it from where? Play it from here? Yeah, let's play it from here. Play it from here. Right there. Yeah, right there. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. So right now, you came back, you had your back test after you got the rejection on the 20-day, came back tested your 236. Now you are blowing through your 382 and you have retested your previous resistance. So now that is twice resistance. So the 20-day is still holding as your resistance and it has covered the half. You need to get back above your half to get the 618 retracement. If you can get above that, then what is that? Couple percent. It's not bad. Get back above the half. Where can we get to? What's that? 4%? That's not bad on a trade. Something on a micro level. Something on a very micro level. That's a small account builder right there. Nice small account builder. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash hasn't even come back to test the 20-day yet. So if you can hold, what's that? 277 as support, then you could look to hit this 20-day at about $313. I've been seeing 313. That's why I'm laughing. I've been seeing 313. That is so funny. That is hilarious. All right, let's go for it. Let's do KNC. I'm in the chart in KNC. Still holding my KNC position, but let me look. Hold on. I'm in overbought territory. I'm highly overbought. So probably look for the back test to about what, $1.93 maybe? Yeah, I could see that. So, but I do have a golden cross. I got a 20, 50. I'm getting ready to get the 100-day. I got the 200-day and the 20 crossing to the upside. So I'm going to continue to hold this one. I'm going to continue to hold KNC. Let's see. What was I looking at? I was looking at the weekly, maybe. I had to be looking at the weekly. Yep, that's what it was. I was looking at the weekly. That's exactly why my chart looks the way it does. Okay, so let's play it from the bodies though. Let's take it to the body, from the body to the body, and get it on the last low, right there. And then let me turn the wicks off. This looks confusing with the wicks on. Perfect. All right. Is that my low? Yes, it is actually. We're down here. There we go. Perfect. All right. So on a weekly, it looks like my resistance is going to be about 206. I'm currently trading at 203. After that level of resistance, I got a level coming in on my 382 at $2.18. I might take partial profit here if it hits 206. Actually, let me turn the wicks back on to see if it did. It probably did. Yep, it did. So I had another 2 days and 6 hours to figure out if this is going to continue. to the upside, or am I going to get the sell off? But I'm really looking for KNC to perform. It's actually at the 57 mark on the weekly. So I'm looking for a pretty decent performance out of this. Even if this does pull back, I would still dollar cost average and buy more. So looking for KNC to really, really perform, because it's creating higher lows. It has not dropped back down to this price, which was down here, or even this price here. It's actually been consolidating in a nice range. So looking for to get that good percentage return out of KNC. Overall, I'm probably looking at, because I got in on my 236 area, which was about $1.84. So I'm looking for KNC to perform to at least the 618, but I will be taking partial profits as I reach certain resistance areas like this 382, which will give me 18%. The halfway mark would give me 34%. And then the full 618 would give me 48.68%. So that is KNC. Let's take a look at Chainlink. And then on the daily, let me turn this off. So I'm quite sure that was something that I had earlier. Start from scratch. There's your low right here. Low right there, maybe. Maybe right there. Let me open this up some. I'm up here straining my eyes trying to see if that was the low. Yep, right there. Yep, perfect. Bring it back, bring it back. Bam. I like that. Okay. That could be a double bottom. Could be a double bottom. If it's still the double bottom, you're still creating. See, this was a high right here. And you got lower high. You got lower high. You got a lower high. I don't like that. That's my concern. So high, lower high, lower high, lower high. And that has been happening since May of last year. A high, and a lower high, and a lower high. Where's my high at? Right there. Almost the same, but not the same. So that could have been a double top moment then. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I just know Chainlink is still in a downtrend. I don't like the way it's looking. If you trade what you see, not what you feel. So if I'm trading what I see, then this would be what I see. Okay, so that's what I see. Now, so then this would be the trend that I'm trading in then. Even if it's in a downtrend, I could still, even with the volume that's coming in, I could still find an area of profit even in a downtrend. So we were in this downtrend on Chainlink. We now are testing our 236. We are trying to break out of this downtrend. Look for look for 1707 to hold as resistance or find support. You have 5 hours and 5 minutes to figure that out. Next level of resistance, if you do get the support from the 236, is $19.29. Currently trading at $16.97. So here to here is about 12.68%. So play it to the next level. You get your support here, play it to the next level. If you get support here, play it to the next level. If you get support here, play it to the next level. All you got to do is follow the stairs. That's all you have to do. There's no elevator method, just follow the stairs. Very simple. All right, let's check out, you know what? Let me see something real quick on the 4 hour. Even on the 4 hour, just to make it make more sense. On the 4 hour, you had a breakout of your downtrend, breakout, back test, continue with the move. Now you are facing the resistance. Let's take a look at a 1 hour. See that? Getting rejected by the 236 on the 1 hour. You have 3 hours and 48 minutes to figure that out. So when you break it down to smaller time frames, it'll give you the more significant, or not significant, but the more exact way of why it is breaking down. Smaller time frames. All right, let's take a look at some gamer tokens right quick. Look at Sandbox. All right, let's go to the daily. Looks like I'm already trading on Sandbox. Let me see where we at right now. Let's take a look at the weekly. Yep, that's what I was doing. I was trading on the weekly. It looks like I'm getting a turnaround. But it ran up to that $4.16 resistance that I was looking at, and it hit it right on target, because that was previous support right here. So if I was going off a daily and I was to swing it the opposite direction, what area would I swing it from? Would it be from this high? Or from that high? Maybe. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Okay, I like that. I like the way that looks. So this was the downtrend. This is continuing the downtrend. Let's take a look at that right quick. Let's see where the breakout was. Yep, there it is. There it is right there. You were in a downtrend on Sandbox now. This is on a daily time frame too. So right here was your resistance. Breakout. Almost ran to the 382. Let me open this up some so y'all can see that. Perfect form. You are now bouncing off of the 236. You back tested, you broke through, but you didn't close. And then you ran up, and then you back tested again. So now let's see if we can get the continuation to this 382. What do the EMAs have to say? EMAs are saying that you are at 20-day resistance, 100-day resistance, 50-day resistance. So you got to break through those areas of resistance to see the continuation out of this move. I don't see it going past $4 and what is that, 30 cents, maybe even $4.37. I don't see it going past that. Not right now. It's a lot of resistance going on in this price action, but looks good for a dollar cost average. And let me do mana right quick. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. So let's run it from this high to this low. I like the way that wick looks. Now, you are getting support from your 100-day and your 20-day. You're getting resisted by the 100-day and the 50-day. So try to get support above those at $2.83. And then you can see the continuation to, what is that? $3.31, which would roughly give you about a 16.79% move to the upside. With that being said, family, I got to get up out of here. I got another meeting I need to get to. I just wanted to drop this video on y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Till next time, peace, family.